drip, dripping paint, drip, drip, watch the me brush, my paintbrush, painting off trees almost done, green, green, how now, watch me face,
been
one,
waiting.
Oh, an important one.
Okay.
Hey.
No. It's so smart. I don't think it's this one. Yuck. Okay, let's read the question.
The voted text requires an inference, or I guess, about missing details based on the text, which sentence is most likely to be true. At the artist hears an
Alarm.
when that makes her up. The artist is so
Absorbed.
absorbed
But today he. Why? No. It's clear. No, I don't think it's this one.
Yak.
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 Enough. Did it just for yuck.
That's
Don't
very
think.
well.
Persistent yuck. I think it's something else. Yuck. Okay.
Yak. The artist is so
Absorbed.
in painting that she doesn't enter the poem. The artist has been expecting a phone call.
Honestly, I do not watch me race. Been waiting for an important one. Okay, let's read it. Yuck.
Then I hurry back the lines that were
Treasy. is. I don't think it's here's a
Drizzle.
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 I think that this one is
Make.
white.
Red.
Intermediate white small drops.
Chops.
Sprinkle.
Spring.
Vegetable drizzled with olive oil. Okay, you put the olive oil on the vegetables. Drizzle.
Drizzling.
Drizzle.
No. Drizzle.
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 Okay.
Rain is very and very every small drops.
Okay.
Rain and very small drops.
Okay. Rain very small drops. Okay. Let me check the drizzle. The lines that were trees.
Drizzled into streams.
Okay, I think there's something. Okay, it becomes something because it's white. Okay, the tree becomes streams.
And decided to freeze. I guess the moment then pretended
Good.
this is his fact. All was all in
Intended. Okay, intended your purpose. I'll do that. Okay, let's learn the drizzle.
Drizzle.
drizzle,
Drizzle.
drizzle,
Drizzle.
drizzle, rain in very small drops.
Okay,
It was
beginning.
to drizzle.
Okay. I think if he draw the tree on the over there, right? Then the tree just drizzled like a stream. I think drew like streams and decided to freeze. Okay. Intended. I intend to do something. The purpose I do something for the purpose. Okay.
Drizzle,
Drizzle.
drizzle,
Drizzle.
drizzle,
Drizzle.
drizzle.
Intended.
Intended,
Intended.
intended,
Intended.
intended,
Intended.
intended.
Okay.
In your mind has a
Purpose.
Our
Goal. Okay. Okay.
He was
Unable
unable to
pursue
his
intended
soccer
career.
career.
Okay. He wants to do something. Okay. That's intended. Okay. Intended.
Intended.
Intended,
Intended.
intended,
Intended.
intended. Adjective.
To expect to. Okay. That's intended. So he drew a picture, right? And then he received a phone call. After she received a phone call, she found the tree like drizzled into streams. Okay, the tree. Okay, now it decided to freeze. I gasped a moment, then pretended that the effect was all intended. I just wanted that. Okay, that's what it means.
That
Okay, so do you know which one?
this one.
Okay, can read it?
The artist has been expecting a phone call.
Okay,
Submit.
yeah,
You want some?
okay. Okay. Yuck, yuck.
Yak yak. Then I hurry back the line that lines that were trees
Drizzled.
drizzled into streams
Okay, basically they're talking about the paint.
and decided to freeze.
Okay,
The bolded text requires an inference or I guess about missing details based on the text. Which sentence is most likely to be true? The artist was telling someone on the phone about the painting, while the artist was on the phone.
drips.
Drips of paint started running down the
Caverns. Okay, okay, you draw the picture. Yeah, they draw a picture. Yeah, and things like that. Okay, cavern. What's that?
Intended. Intended. Intended.
Expected to be such. Okay. Actually, I think this is explained. In your mind, as a purpose or goal.
In your mind as a purpose or goal.
Okay, that's what you want. Okay, canvas.
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 Okay, people draw a picture on the canvas. Okay.
Canvas.
Canvas.
Okay, this one.
A piece of cloth
Backed,
or
framed.
as a surface for a painting.
Okay, it's useful for yeah, like that. Canvas. Okay.
Canvas. While the artist was on the phone, strips of paint started running down the canvas. The artist decided she wanted to add a string to her painting of a forest.
So, do you know which one?
This one.
Okay.
7.
Yeah. Okay.
What is the meaning of the
Poem. Could you louder? Poem.
Some mistakes can never be
Corrected.
corrected.
Okay, will never be corrected. That.
Corrected.
Okay, let's stop.